Yo, 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 what's up? Another video. It's been a minute. This bike has been in storage, just sitting. Dug it out the other day, about to get it finished up. There's really not much left to do. I gotta weld a little bracket here, gonna run this GPR stabilizer. Ended up changing the motor in this bike. Got this built 95-inch. The other motor went in a different bike. Been a little busy. Moved shops, new space. Just did the motor on this Dyna, 03. Just did the motor on this Dyna, 98. Had an old friend return and built this bike about 15 years ago. That needed a little work. Got that back on the road. Like I said, this is going to come apart soon. So I'll probably make a video, hopefully in the next few months, of this going back together. Gotta paint and whatnot, all that crap. But really, this video is about FXR swing arms. And I don't know if you've seen in my previous video, Fab Kevin makes some awesome stuff. He makes a bracket to put a big twin kickstand on a FXR frame, which I have on my other bike. Bolts up in the front, on the other side, like where this foot control piece goes. But on the left side, you run like a big twin style soft tail shovel head kickstand. But what we got here from Fab Kevin is these awesome swing arm pieces. No more swing arm problems with the FXR swing arm. You can see this one's got the crushing here going on. And there's a bunch of other stuff that comes with that. The adjusters that go in there shift around, bind up your brake. This happens. You can get solid adjusters that go in here to kind of stop this and stop the binding and movement of the adjuster. And they also have like a reinforced rear piece that's billet instead of the stamped steel bullshit that's back there. But you still got some other stuff going on with this. Man, dual adjusters, billet steel. Comes with these tabs so you can put your shock wherever you want. You want the bike to sit a little lower, but you want to have a nice shock, you can move it back. You want the bike tall, you can move it forward. These are threaded. Awesome quality of this stuff. And the way he makes it, it's like a slip joint. This fits right over this. And basically you just cut that off, slide this on, boom. Look what you got going on, and weld it all around. Completely fucking awesome. You do that and then do a bracket for a late model brake. You got some piece of swing, some swing arm there. I can't tell you how nice these things are. The quality of them is fantastic. Dual adjuster, steel, billet block for the axle. Man. Super nice. I'm going to do the swing arm in the next couple days. But I wanted to make a video here so you could see what's going on before I cut it up. And get a look at these before they're on there. I'm pretty sure he makes them for this later model swing arm like this. So you can get rid of those cam adjusters. Which is nice because you already have the bracket for a later caliper. And these swing arms already have the clavicle bearings in them. So if you get one of those swing arms, and put those ends on it, man, I might have to do that with this guy here before I tear it all down. I just want to make a video. It's been a minute. Been real busy. Moved shops. All these bikes and racks had to be moved. And work in between in the season was super busy. And all my stuff going on. But here we are. Man, check these things out. Fab Kevin does it again. Alright, I'm out of here. Try to make another video when I do this swing arm, hopefully in the next week or so, and you can see what the finished product looks like. Peace.